Captain Wayne, Blacktip Fishing Adventures. In here trying to check my gauges and replace gauges. The new gauges that I have to send you a picture. I already got frustrated and put them up. Those gauges are way too big. They're this, I guess, 2-inch size, 3-inch size, and then the one big one is like a 4-inch or 6-inch. Is just way too big. It's not enough room in this cockpit for those gauges, except for these two here. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Just gonna replace the gauges with something else, some other gauges. But in the meantime, I took the 12-volt gauge out. It's held in by this bracket, screw, and a little star washer. So I took those out. Had to use a 9mm socket to get them out, to get this bracket off, and the gauge just comes forward, which is a great thing because I got to pull these other two big ones out. The lead wire, or the signal wire for my 12-volt gauge, is a purple wire. That wire was broken, so I just fixed it. I just put another loop clamp, or whatever you call it, just put another one on there. If I hit my power switch over here to the right and then look at the gauge, I got signal. So turn that back off, and then I can go ahead and put my nut on there, tighten this up, and I'm done with this particular gauge. Just got to put it back in the dashboard. So the next thing I'll do is take the other ones out. Power, switches on, no light. So not sure why the lights don't work on these things yet. Figure that out another day. So put that in, and that's it for that one. So now I'll pull the others out and check them. Pause. Alright, so we got the blue wire re-crimped for the hell is this thing? The voltage gauge. Tracing the blue wire back. There's no blue wire for the odometer. I'm gonna have to take that one out in a second. And blue wire goes to the tack, and the blue wire goes to, doesn't look like there's one on there. Let me check again. Yep, and there's a blue wire that goes to the fuel gauge. So maybe they're just dirty and corroded, I don't know, but they're all tied in together into one termination point. And then one lead wire comes off and goes to my switch. So let's try and see if we get any lights over here. Nothing. I got lights there. Yes, I got lights there. Nothing here and nothing here. So I gotta try this one real quick, see if I can get lights on that. Oh, that's why. Somebody did a really poor crimp job all the way around. So turn that off. The spade is still on the gauge, but the wire came out of it. So I'll pull that out. Let's see.